Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Surker Clippers is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly grooming tools available on the market today, offering a professional-grade experience right in the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to achieve a sharp fade, maintain a neat beard, or simply trim your hair with precision, these clippers are designed to deliver exceptional results without snagging or pulling, making your grooming routine quicker and more enjoyable than ever before. Number 5. FADEKIng Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool for men. Achieve a professional barber look right at home with this versatile set. Experience the freedom of cordless operation. This device offers unparalleled convenience for all your grooming needs. Effortlessly trim your beard and hair with precision. It's designed for detailed fades and clean lines, ensuring a polished finish every time. This comprehensive set has everything you need for a complete men's grooming experience. It's perfect for both home use and professional barbers. Looking for a gift? This high-quality grooming kit is an ideal present for any man who values style and convenience. What we like. This set offers professional barber quality results for both hair and beard. Its cordless design ensures ease of use and versatility for home or barber use. If you're looking for a complete men's grooming solution that delivers salon-level precision, this is the kit for you. What people say. The Surker Clippers are very quiet and do not make much noise. The clippers are lightweight and easy to hold and use. The battery life on these clippers is excellent, lasting for a long time on a single charge. Number 4. Wahl Professional Animal Arco Cordless Clipper Kit. Achieve salon-quality grooming results at home with this professional-grade tool. It's designed for dogs, cats, and even horses, making it incredibly versatile. The 5-in-1 fine blade easily adjusts between sizes number 9, 10, 15, 30, and 40. This offers a convenient variety of cutting lengths for any grooming need. Enjoy the freedom of cordless grooming with a rechargeable battery. You get 80 minutes of runtime on a 75-minute charge, perfect for extended grooming sessions. This clipper is perfect for small to medium dogs and cats, as well as horses. It's great for trimming and touch-ups on sensitive areas like the muzzle, face, and ears. The kit includes everything you need: the cordless clipper, adjustable blade, rechargeable batteries, charging stand, guide combs, and cleaning accessories. Rest assured, this product undergoes rigorous quality checks. Any synthetic hair found is simply a result of our thorough testing process, ensuring you receive a brand new item. What we like. This is a professional-grade tool designed specifically for pet grooming. The 5-in-1 adjustable blade offers a variety of cutting lengths for different breeds and coat types. If you have small to medium-sized dogs, cats, or even horses and want to achieve salon-quality results at home, this cordless clipper is an excellent choice. What people say. The Surker Clippers are very quiet and don't scare my dog. I love that these clippers are cordless and have a long battery life, which makes grooming much easier. The different guard lengths are great for achieving various hairstyles. Number 3. Cordless Hair Clippers for Men. Introducing our new cordless hair clippers, designed for a seamless grooming experience. Achieve professional-looking haircuts and beard trims with ease, right in the comfort of your home. Experience precision like never before with its powerful motor and sharp blades. It effortlessly cuts through all hair types, ensuring a clean and even trim every time. Stay informed with the integrated LED display, which shows battery life and charging status. This feature ensures you're always ready for your next grooming session without any surprises. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation thanks to its rechargeable battery. A single charge provides ample power for multiple uses, making it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. This versatile grooming kit is suitable for everyone, from men and women to kids. It's the perfect tool for maintaining your style and keeping everyone looking their best. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This all-in-one grooming solution is an excellent choice for anyone who values convenience and a polished appearance. Give the gift of effortless style. What we like. Featuring a convenient LED display, this cordless clipper provides a clear view of battery life. It's rechargeable and designed for easy use by men, women, barbers, and even kids. If you need a straightforward, user-friendly haircutting solution for the whole family, this kit is a great option. What people say. The Surker Clippers are very quiet and do not make much noise. The battery life on these clippers is excellent, lasting a long time on a single charge. The clippers come with a variety of attachments that allow for different hair lengths and styles. Number 2. Novah Professional Hair Clippers, Gold. Introducing the Novah Professional Hair Clippers. Achieve salon-quality haircuts from the comfort of your home with this premium gold set. Designed for barbers and home users alike, it offers unparalleled precision for fades and intricate styles. Experience effortless grooming with its cordless design. Enjoy the freedom of movement with its cordless operation. This powerful tool ensures a smooth and consistent cut every time, without compromising on performance. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a perfect haircut. From fades to trims, it handles all your styling needs with ease. Crafted in a stunning gold finish, it not only performs exceptionally but also looks sophisticated. Elevate your grooming routine with this professional-grade clipper set. Get that professional barber look without the salon visit. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for extended use, making it your go-to grooming essential. What we like. This professional barber set is designed for precision haircuts and fading. Its cordless operation and premium gold finish make it both functional and stylish. If you're a barber or someone who values high-end grooming tools for achieving sharp fades and clean lines, this is the clipper to consider. What people say. The Surker Clippers are very quiet and powerful, making them great for home haircuts. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge. The clippers come with a variety of attachments for different hair lengths, offering versatility. Number 1. Novah Professional Barber Clippers and Trimmer Set. Introducing the Novah Professional Barber Clippers and Trimmer Set. Achieve salon-quality haircuts from the comfort of your home. Experience unparalleled precision with our advanced foil shaver technology. It's designed for a clean, close shave every time. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation without compromising on power. This tool is perfect for intricate fades and detailed styling. This comprehensive kit is everything you need for a professional haircut. It's designed for both barbers and personal use. Create sharp lines and smooth fades with ease. Elevate your grooming routine with this essential barber tool. What we like. This set combines professional barber clippers with a foil shaver for a complete grooming experience. It's cordless, making it ideal for barbers and home users who want to achieve precise haircuts and smooth finishes. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle both cutting and shaving for a polished look, this kit is a solid choice. What people say. The Surker Clippers are very quiet and do not make a lot of noise. The clippers have a good grip and are easy to hold and maneuver. The battery life on the Surker Clippers is excellent, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.